Hey there, Facebook users. Today, we're going to show you how to clear your watch history on Facebook on your PC with the new update. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open your account. Simply log into your Facebook account on your PC. Next, click on Profile from the left side menu. This will take you to your profile page. Now, click the 3 dots on the right side of your profile page. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Activity Log. In the Activity Log, you'll see several options. Look for and click on Videos You've Watched. Once you're in the Videos You've Watched section, you'll see all the videos that you have previously watched on Facebook. To clear your video watch history, simply click on Clear Video Watch History at the top right corner of the screen. A confirmation message will appear to ensure that you want to clear your watch history. Click Confirm to proceed. And that's it. Your video watch history on Facebook has now been cleared. This is a great feature to use if you want to keep your viewing habits private or just want to start fresh. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to navigate Facebook. See you next time.